friends, welcome again to my channel. Today we are doing another homemade cleaner recipe in my channel. This is called the toilet spray or the bathroom spray. Like I talked about, this especially goes for the toilet seat or the toilet bowl. If you want to clean inside the toilet, it is really a blessing in disguise because it is chemical free and it's organic most of the part, and it has essential oil, so it is going to leave looking good, smelling good, right? Let's get started. As usual in my recipe, everything is fast, quick, easy, simple and usable, right? Let's get started. There's only 2 or 3 ingredients depending on how much you want to use for this recipe. The main recipe is only one, which is the witch hazel. So over here I wanted to show you my collection. I always have all these in my cubby over here. So I have this almond oil, and I have the rose water, I have the beeswax, and I have some soap, glycerin soap, and over here is the isopropyl alcohol, and I have the hydrogen peroxide and castor oil, and of course the avocado oil. This is not for consumption, but I use this for the homemade products or the health and beauty products. And I always keep this cubby over here because it helps me when I want to make my homemade cleaners or health and beauty. And I also have a big box. Other than this, I will show you and cover in my next video for sure. Let's keep this aside, and for this recipe we only need the witch hazel and 3 of the essential oils that I'm going to use. I'm going to use bergamot, I'm going to use clove, and I'm going to use grapefruit. You're more than welcome to replace a clove with lemongrass essential oil, but I really love this clove because it is also antibacterial, antimicrobial, which is great to clean our bathroom, right? And I have this sprayer bottle. So what I'm going to do is, it's just a pump actually rather than a sprayer bottle, but I will just pump it and use a paper towel and just wipe it on top of the toilet seat, and that is easy for me, so no more mess, right? Okay, let's get started. Over here I'm just going to open the lock, and I'm going to go ahead and grab a funnel. Okay, I'm just going to take 2 ounces, which is a 1/4 cup of the witch hazel. And watch out, this is really liquidy, and when you squirt it, make sure it doesn't spray on your eyes. Over here, I'm just going to pour it in. It's easier to use one bottle instead of transferring it from any other bowl. And I'm going to use 20 drops of bergamot. Let's remove this and then 5, 6, 7. You can count it. There you go. You can also use orange oil if you don't have grapefruit. 20 drops of clove. And then the last one is my grapefruit. Some people like to add squeezed lemon. You can do that too. But if you are going to use the freshly squeezed lemon, then you want to finish it as early as you can, because storing the fresh lemon may not be a great idea. It goes rotten, right? So here we go. I'm just going to shake it, and I'm just going to squirt it a little bit, and then I'm just going to wipe it. I'm showing you in the wood floor all these cleaners, but it works great on your toilet seat, and you should try and let me know. Alright guys, here we go. Your very own do-it-yourself homemade bathroom or toilet spray is ready for use. And you can also use the bottle like this, like a pump, because it is easier for me to take it in a paper towel, wipe it and throw it inside the toilet bowl and flush it. So that's the easiest way for me. But if you're the kind of person who likes to use the towel for that, you can always use like a sprayer bottle, spray it in your bathroom floors or on top of the toilet seat. So either way, how you want to work it out, this is a great product, and I hope you like it and you enjoy my videos. And if you do, please like, share and subscribe, and I'm coming back with more videos.